Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, we have another Bruenia offering here. This is the Braunmeister Milwaukee Beer Company. This would have been equivalent to a boutique brewery back in the day. Anyways, it's another beautiful etched beer sign. So again, you would saw this in a bar or some type of liquor store or restaurant or whatever, where people could walk up and check their makeup or their hair or whatever and get that advertising in. So if you were into Milwaukee beer, Bruenia in general, or just cool vintage advertising, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.